Greetings from Lilla, Erstaviksbadet in Nacka, Stockholm. So I am back to Stockholm after a weekend of exploration in Tallinn, the capital city of Estonia. It is now 6 p.m. in the evening and it was rather cloudy so far, so I waited a bit to get a bit of sunshine, but it seems like the sunshine is now also slightly behind the clouds. But yes, I am definitely going to take a swim as I have cycled all the way here 16 kilometers with my gravel bike. And this is the smaller beach, sandy beach, Lilla Erstaviksbadet, just right next to the big Erstaviksbadet, the main one. But today not so many people were here despite being earlier today 24 degrees. Right now we have 22 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the Baltic Sea it is 21 degrees I measured. So here we have also a bit of nice forest and some rocks, and along that side continues the Erstaviksbadet that's now actually half under shadow at this point in time. And it's been a while since I have been here in the Erstavik Nature Reserve, so I really missed it, and it's really a nice cycling route to get here from my home, 16 kilometers with my gravel bike. It takes me around 40 minutes one way. And let me tell you, I have missed cycling so much, as in the previous in the previous 30 days I have been mostly traveling by public transport to further beaches, but now the cycling season is back and I'm going to cycle a lot. I'm so happy now with the sun being back, as it was cloudy earlier, which means that we are ready for another beach adventure with Chris on this 5th of August 2024, beach number 112 this year in Sweden. And August is offering nice weather, but let's see how it's going to be in the upcoming days. I see some rain on the forecast, but it changes constantly anyway. So back to Stockholm, as I mentioned, after a weekend in Tallinn, Estonia, and I am now again on the Baltic Sea, which is actually the same sea in Tallinn that I was swimming in yesterday. And let's then get going and take a swim in the sea on this nice little sandy beach, Lilla Erstaviksbadet, in this beautiful nature over here. Right, here we have sandy entrance, like same as the beach, and we can see Tyresö on the other side of the sea. This is the view of the beach from the sea as well. Quite nice, quite nice. I'm all alone here on the beach, so that's quite amazing and beautiful as well. Yes, I'm so happy to take a swim in the sea. I missed Stockholm while I was away in Tallinn. Stockholm is so beautiful, it's so amazing, but it's always nice to travel abroad for a weekend trip, or especially in the winter months when it is a bit cold in Sweden, to visit some Mediterranean destination, for example, that has slightly warmer weather. All right, then let's take a swim and enjoy here at Lilla Erstaviksbadet in Nacka, Stockholm. Let's go! Amazing. Ah, so beautiful. This is how you enjoy life out on the sea. I'm so happy to live in Stockholm with access to the beautiful Baltic Sea, but also hundreds and hundreds of beautiful natural lakes as well. Yes, all right. With this wonderful view of Lilla Erstaviksbadet on this sunny evening in Stockholm, I'm gonna say thank you so much for watching this episode. Make sure to like this video and subscribe, and I'm gonna see you soon again with another beach adventure on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.